the number j is 2400 percentage greater than the number k. The number k is 350 percentage greater than 8. What is the value of j? Okay, we can use Desmos to solve this problem. Before we start using Desmos, we have to convert the given informations to equations. Okay, now let me consider the first piece of information we have over here. We have j is, we can write j is equal to, since we have 2400 percentage greater than, we have to add this number 2400 to 100. Let me write it over here, 100 positive 2400. In case I have 2400 percentage less than, I have to take negative sign. That is, I have to subtract this number from 100. Since we have greater than, I am adding this number 2400 to 100. Then I have to take percentage of, we have to take this quantity. That is a number k. And we have j equals to, when I add 100 and 2400, I am getting 2500. That is 2500 percentage of k. I got the first equation from the first piece of information. Now let me consider the second piece of information we have over here. K is, we have to write k is equal to, since we have the information 350 percentage greater than, we have to add this number 350 to 100. Then we get 100 positive 350 percentage of this value, that is 8. Okay, k equals to, when I add these two numbers, I am getting 450 percentage of 8. I got two equations from the given information. Now we have to take these two equations as input in Desmos. Okay, so in Desmos, let me take the square bracket. Now I have to consider the quantities we have on the left side of both the equations. They are j and k. Okay, now let me take these two quantities over here. That is j, comma k, close the square bracket. Then we have to take tilde sign, open the square bracket again. Now we have to consider the quantities we have on the right side of both the equations. In the first equation, the quantity we have on the right side is 2500 percentage of k, comma, the quantity we have on the right side of the second equation is 450 percentage of 8, close the square bracket. Okay, here I got the values of the two unknowns j and k. Our aim is to get the value of j. So the value of j is 900.